Hello guys. In this video, I'll be explaining about two things. One is what is order expiry time and how to configure it, and the second one is what is transaction complete time and how to set it. So coming to order expiry time, first let me explain what order expiry time is. Imagine you're running an online store and customers are placing orders, and you don't want these orders to be hanging around forever. So that's where order expiry time comes into play. Now, when you're creating an order with cash-free payments, you can specify the time limit till which the order is valid. So that's where the time duration your customers can pay for your orders. Now, this order expiry time can be set through two different ways. First one is through order creation API, wherein while creating the order, you call the create order API of cash-free payments, and there you can specify the order expiry time parameter to set this order expiry time. And the second method is through merchant dashboard. You can go to the merchant dashboard. There you can set the order expiry time. Now let me show you how to set order expiry time in the order creation API. So first let's go to lab.cashfree.com. Here it's like a developer's playground to test and run the APIs of Cashfree. So I'll create an order with app ID and secret key of merchant, and this is a API that we call for creating order. And in the request body, I'll set an extra param with order expiry time, and this should be of a particular format only. If we give some wrong format string, then we will get an error. So this is giving me an error. Time should be of this format, and for IST it should be of this format. So let me try with this one, and let me enter today's date and current time. Now it's telling that order expiry time should be more than 15 minutes and less than 30 days. So let me try with this. So now the order has been created with order expiry time on today and 7:59 p.m. So this is how we set order expiry time through order creation API. Now let me show you how to set order expiry time through merchant dashboard. So first we'll log into the merchant dashboard and go to settings, and we'll go to preferences, and here we have order expiry time. So if order expiry time is to be in days, then we'll click on this and increase the days. If we have to set in the time, then we can set like this, like we can enter, let's say, 15 minutes and click on save changes. So from now on, whatever order I create from my merchant ID will have order expiry time of 15 minutes by default. So let's check this from labs.cashier.com. So I will go to create order and enter app ID and secret key of my merchant, and then I'll create an order without specifying order expiry time here. And let's check here. Order expiry time is with today's date, and expiry time is 8/1, and the current time is 7:46. So it's exactly 15 minutes from now on. So we can set it through merchant dashboard, and by default, the order expiry time will be 15 minutes. That is what we have set in the merchant dashboard, and after that time, the order will be invalid. Now we can go to merchant dashboard to check the status of the orders that we have created. So this is the order that we have created in labs.cashfree.com, and we have set expiry time manually in the order creation API. So the time expiry time was 8:09 p.m. and the time now is 8:11. So it's showing the status expired. And this order for this order expiry time has been set through the merchant dashboard, and the expiry time was 8:1 p.m. So now the status is expired. So this is how expiry time works. And if I pay for the orders for these orders now, and I will get an error saying that the order is expired. So let me explain about transaction complete time now. So it's the time duration between a moment when the transaction starts and until the transaction ends or it is paid. So let's say customer is paying for an order. He enters the card details in the section and click on pay. So then he will be directed to the bank page or some other page where he'll be prompted to enter the OTP or some enter some other details to complete the payment. So the duration between the transaction start time until the time when the order gets paid is called transaction complete time. Now merchant can set a particular time till which he can wait for the transaction to be completed. So this can be set only through merchant dashboard. So let me show you how to set the transaction complete time through a merchant dashboard. First, let's go to merchant dashboard, and then from here, let's go to settings, and in preferences, we have a transaction complete time just below the order expiry time. So we can set the time here. I will set as a 15 minutes and click on save changes. So from now on, transaction complete time for any orders that are going to be created by my merchant ID will have 15 minutes transaction complete time by default. Thank you guys, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments.